So this is a review of the LEGO Star Wars Clone Walker Battle Pack. First, I want to show you the minifigs. There's one clone gunner, one clone commander, and two regular clones. The build is fairly easy, but fun. The price is just amazing. For what you get, it's very cheap. 5 out of 5 LEGO bricks. The minifigs are awesome. 4 clones are a very nice addition to every LEGO clone army. 5 out of 5. The build isn't very complex, as I mentioned before, since it's only 72 parts. 2 out of 5. This set has a very high playability in my opinion. 5 out of 5. And this leads me to a total rating of 5 out of 5 LEGO bricks. This is definitely a must-have, probably even more than once. Thanks for watching.